Hi and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to make a professional PowerPoint slide. So first like, share and subscribe and comment and hit the bell icon. So let's go. So first I will open a blank page of PowerPoint. So then you have to go to a shapes option and just choose a rounded corner rectangle and just make a very thin rectangle, not very long, just short like this. And now you can see a yellow dot over here. It helps us to curve the corners of the rectangle. So I'm just double click on it and curve it full much so it's look a circle type at the corner, and make it a little big and a little bit thinner and just settle it over here. So now I'm going to duplicate with Ctrl plus T by pressing Ctrl plus T, and it will duplicate it. And you have to just stick this both because I am inserting a thing over here, so I don't want to see the white lines in between. And just make it a little bit smaller and just settle it over. One is bigger and then is medium and then is the small. So I'm going to follow this pattern at the end of the page, and I'm going to duplicate this also with Ctrl plus T and just stick it and just make it smaller like this. And I'm going to follow this pattern fully till the end of the page. So now just duplicate this and just settle it over here, and you have to align it very perfectly at the lines. You can see the lines coming over here, and this help us you to just make the shapes perfectly aligned. So now just duplicating this again here, and now at last I'm going to just do this. So this is a pattern made. So now I'm going to just select this all, and I'm going to group it from this go to home option, go to arrange and just group it from group object, and now it will move and a group and it will not be separated. And if you change anything, just double click on the block. So now I'm going to just move it to the between like this. So now we are going to insert a pic inside it. So how to insert a pic, I will show you. So now just select this and right click on it. You will see a go to format shape option and just go to shapes, go to fill and go to picture and texture fill. If you go to picture and texture fill, this will add it to your pic, and I'm going to add another pic because this wood is not looking good. So for adding another, just go to pic sources, or you can also go to texture and it will come many textures over here. So I'm going to just go to insert and insert it from online pictures. So now I'm selecting a beach type picture, or you can select also background. I'm selecting a beach type picture, and let's see what happens. So if you select this and just go to insert, and it will be selected and move inside it. So now I'm going to add a text over it. So for adding the text, go to insert, go to text box and make a text for the writing, and just increase its size as you want any. I'm going to use 54, and and you can also change the font. I'm going to do this one, and and I'm going to change its color, font color to white, and just writing it best PowerPoint slide. And you can also increase this to make it a plain type, and you can also just go over here and you can just increase it so it will be looking plain. Or you can also change its color to any Like you can also change it to black also, white also, and many more colors you want. I am keeping it as white. So, and this presentation you can use for anything you want. Like I have a presentation competition in my school going on, so I can use this presentation. And if you are a YouTuber, you can and if you are a tech channel like me, you can use this slide, you can use this written thing, and you can also insert to make your YouTube videos created. And you are going to see this presentation in my further video. So stay tuned. Thank you and bye bye.